In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove gray shading from behind text in a Microsoft Word document. If you have text in your Microsoft Word document with a gray background or shading behind it, you can easily remove that shading using the options available in the Home tab. This is useful when you want your text to appear normally without any background color. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document that contains the text with the gray shading. Once the document is open, locate the text where you want to remove the shading. To begin, select the text that has the gray shading. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the text. Make sure you select the entire portion of text where you want to remove the background shading. For example, if you only want to remove the shading from a specific word, simply click and drag across that word to highlight it. Once the text is selected, you can make changes to its formatting without affecting the rest of the document. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the Microsoft Word window. In the Paragraph section, look for the Shading button. This button controls the background color or shading applied to the selected text. Click the small drop-down arrow next to the Shading button to open the available color options. You'll see a variety of colors that you can apply to the selected text. As you move through the available options, Word will show the changes directly on the page. This live preview makes it easier to see how the different shading colors will look before you make your final selection. Since our goal is to remove the gray shading completely, look for the option labeled No Color. Select No Color from the available options. Once you select No Color, the gray shading behind the selected text will immediately disappear. The text itself will remain in the document, but the background color will be removed. If you selected only one word, only that word will have its shading removed. If you selected a larger section of text, the same change will be applied to the entire selected area. It's important to select the correct text before changing the shading, because the formatting change will apply to whatever text is currently highlighted. So, to remove gray shading from behind text in Microsoft Word, select the text, go to the Home tab, find the Shading button in the Paragraph section, click the drop-down arrow, and select No Color. And that's it. The gray shading has been removed, while the text remains exactly where it was in your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,